2 seconds to 100 kilometers per hour. 4 electric motors, 1,248 horsepower. The Zeekr 001FR isn't just fast, it's record-breaking fast. This is the Chinese electric shooting brake that holds the world record for the fastest drift by an electric vehicle at 208 kilometers per hour. The 001FR wears its performance intent on every surface. Up front, you'll find a carbon fiber front lip that's part of the FR Performance Kit, paired with a trapezoidal grille forming an aggressive big mouth design. The Matrix LED headlights sit above vertical air ducts with black aero blades that channel airflow to reduce drag and increase downforce at speed. Those signature frog eye daytime running lights offer dynamic welcome animations with multiple light sources. The front fascia hides a LiDAR sensor at the top of the windshield, blending technology with that aggressive stance. From the side, this shooting brake stretches 5,018 millimeters long with a 3,005 millimeter wheelbase, creating that perfect Grand Tourer silhouette. Frameless doors and carbon fiber side skirts emphasize the sporting character. The wheels are 22-inch dual-tone units, wrapped in giddy Motorsport R22 GTR2 tires for maximum grip. Inside, luxury meets technology in the 001FR's cabin. Monaco NAPPA leather covers the sport seats, which includes speakers built into the headrests for an immersive audio experience from the 29-speaker Zeekr Sound Max system. The 15.05-inch rotating sunflower center display can tilt 30 degrees for optimal viewing angles. It's powered by Zeekr OS 6.0 running on Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8295 chip for lightning-fast response. An 8.8-inch instrument cluster sits behind the steering wheel, but the real party piece is the 35.5-inch augmented reality head-up display that projects navigation, speed, and driver assistance information directly onto the windshield. 256-color ambient lighting sets the mood. The rear seats offer powered leg rests, ventilation, and genuine comfort for long journeys. Fit and finish throughout uses, premium materials that rival European luxury brands. The power tailgate opens to reveal 810 liters of cargo space with the seats up. Fold those rear seats down, and you'll unlock 2,144 liters, enough for skis, camping gear, or track day equipment. The tailgate opens up to 2.1 meters high and includes anti-pinch sensors plus memory settings. Throughout the cabin, you'll find practical storage cubbies for phones, bottles, and personal items. 4 independent electric motors deliver the fireworks. 2 motors up front produce 155 kilowatts each. 2 motors at the rear generate 310 kilowatts each. Combined output reaches 931 kilowatts, or 1,248 horsepower, with 1,665 newton-meters of torque. That's enough to rocket from 0 to 100 in 2.02 seconds, on the way to a top speed limited by physics. The 100 kilowatt-hour CATL Qilin battery sits on an 800-volt architecture, supporting up to 300 kilowatts of fast charging. Range sits at 550 kilometers WLTP. Track-level Brembo brakes provide fade-resistant stopping power. CCD adaptive damping and air suspension keep the chassis composed. And here's where it gets wild. Tank turn mode uses those 4 independent motors to spin the car 360 degrees in place, rotating each wheel in different directions. It's not just a party trick, it's cutting-edge torque vectoring technology. The 001FR starts at approximately 100,000 euros, though it's currently produced exclusively for the Asian market in limited numbers of 99 units per month. This is Zeekr's technological flagship, showcasing what's possible when Chinese EV engineering meets no-compromise performance. You're getting world record performance, carbon fiber aero, quad motor wizardry, and luxury that rivals Porsche. Which color would you choose? Drop a comment below. And if you want to see more from Brussels Motor Show 2026, hit that subscribe button. Next up, I'm taking you inside another surprise. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.